Most gadget videos show you products you've seen 100 times before. This one doesn't. Every single gadget on this list is something that made me stop mid-scroll and think, wait, that actually exists? We've got earbuds with a literal hole in them, a camera that makes selfie sticks disappear, and one gadget somewhere on this list that's going to make you rethink how you sleep every single night. 15 gadgets, all on Amazon, all available right now. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Touchscreen controls ruin mobile gaming. You already know this. This clips onto your iPhone or Android and instantly turns it into a full handheld console. Dedicated thumbsticks, bumpers, triggers, and a 3.5mm headphone jack built right in. Zero Bluetooth lag because it connects through your charging port. PlayStation Remote Play, Xbox Cloud Gaming, Steam Link, all work instantly. Most people put up with touchscreen controls because they didn't know this existed. The ones who find it never go back. Your walls are boring, and basic LED strips aren't fixing that. These modular smart light bars connect at 60 or 90-degree angles so you build any geometric pattern you want. Completely unique to your space. 16 million colors, 2 independently controllable zones per bar, music visualizer that reacts in real time, and screen mirror mode that syncs your wall to whatever's on your monitor. Razer Chroma compatible so your room reacts to your games automatically. Most people settle for plain walls. This turns yours into something people photograph the moment they walk in. Most earbuds block out the world, which is great until you miss your stop, don't hear someone talking to you, or can't tell what's happening around you. These have a physical ring-shaped driver with an actual hole in the center. So ambient sound passes through naturally while music plays around it. No transparency mode needed because nothing is blocked to begin with. IPX4, sweat-resistant, 5.5 hours per charge. Speak-to-chat pauses audio when you start talking. Most people didn't know open-ear earbuds could sound this good. These prove otherwise. Every gadget in this video is linked directly in the description below. Go check them out. You're moving large video files or photos between devices, and your current drive is either too slow, too fragile, or both. IP65 rated dustproof and water-resistant, speeds up to 2,000 megabytes per second. AES 256-bit hardware encryption, rubberized housing that absorbs drops, and 2 terabytes in something that fits in your jeans pocket. Most people don't realize portable storage this fast even exists at this size. The ones who switch never touch a slow drive again. And stick around. Because number 8 is the kind of health tracker that makes everything else on the market look like a toy. Most 3D printers require hours of calibration, failed prints, and constant tinkering before you get something usable. This auto-calibrates before every single print. Z-offset, bed leveling, vibration compensation, flow rate, all handled automatically with zero input from you. Prints at 500 millimeters per second, whisper quiet at 49 decibels, built-in camera for remote monitoring. The combo version handles 4-color printing automatically. Most people gave up on 3D printing because it was too complicated. This is the one that finally just works. Earbuds fall out. Headphones mess up your hair. Bone conduction feels weird. These sunglasses have open-ear speakers built directly into the temples. Audio comes from the sides toward your ears with nothing in or on them. UV 400 lens protection, 4 mic array for calls, 32 total hours of battery, IPX5 water resistant, multiple frame styles. Most people didn't know you could have music, calls, and full awareness of your surroundings from a pair of sunglasses. Now you do. Long days create tension that builds in your scalp and temples, and most people just live with it. This waterproof electric scalp massager works through both dry and wet hair with rotating nodes that simulate a professional head spa treatment. Multiple speed modes, rechargeable, and fully waterproof so you use it in the shower with shampoo or dry before bed. Most people pay for scalp treatments they could have at home every single day. This makes that possible for the price of one appointment. Most fitness trackers tell you how many steps you took. This one tells you whether your body is actually ready to push hard today. No screen, no display, no notifications. Just continuous tracking of heart rate variability, skin temperature, blood oxygen, respiratory rate, and sleep stages. Every morning, you get a recovery score that tells you exactly how hard you can train based on what your body's data shows. The device costs nothing. You pay a monthly membership for the AI coaching. Most people guess when they're recovered. This tells you with data. Built-in camera mics and cheap clip-ons make your audio sound distant, echoey, and unprofessional. And on video, bad audio kills credibility faster than anything else. This complete wireless mic system is smaller than your thumb. transmitter clips to a collar, receiver plugs directly into your camera or phone, 24-bit broadcast quality audio, 100-meter range, and a safety channel that records a backup track to protect against clipping. Most creators don't realize how much their audio is hurting their content. This fixes it instantly. And don't skip number 12. The audio coming out of it is going to genuinely shock you. Standard floodlight cameras capture the wide scene but miss the details, license plates, faces at the gate, because one lens can't do both. This has two completely separate cameras simultaneously, a 3K wide angle for the full scene, and a 1080p telephoto zoomed into specific areas at the same time. 6,000 lumens of motion-activated light, color night vision on both cameras, local storage with no mandatory monthly subscription. Most security cameras make you choose between seeing everything and seeing the details. This one does both at once. 3 devices, 3 cables, 3 wall outlets every single night. This full-grain leather charging pad MagSafe charges your iPhone at the full 15 watts. Fast charges your Apple Watch, and Qi charges your AirPods simultaneously from a single USB-C cable. The leather develops a patina over time and looks significantly better after 6 months than it did on day 1. Most people have a nightstand cluttered with chargers and cables they've just accepted as normal. This replaces all of it with one clean object. Phone speakers are tiny, fire in the wrong direction, and ruin every movie and show you watch on them. This tablet has 8 JBL-tuned speakers built into the frame, 4 on each side, with Dolby Atmos processing that adjusts automatically based on how you're holding it. 2K 90Hz display, 7040 mAh battery, Android 14, built-in kickstand. The audio from 8 actual speakers is a completely different experience than anything a phone can produce. Most people don't expect a tablet to sound better than their TV. At $279, this one does. You sleep on your side and every earbud digs into your ear by 2 a.m. So you pull them out and deal with whatever noise woke you up in the first place. These protrude only 4.3 millimeters from the ear, so you can actually lie on a pillow comfortably. Sleep-optimized ANC blocks snoring and environmental noise. Sleep masking plays white noise or ocean sounds that gradually fade as you fall asleep. A smart alarm wakes you during a lighter sleep phase instead of yanking you out of deep sleep. Most people just accept that sleeping with earbuds is uncomfortable. These were built specifically so it doesn't have to be. Drone footage requires a drone license, expensive gear, and a lot of practice. This fits in your shirt pocket and creates footage that looks exactly like it. 8K 360-degree video, invisible selfie stick effect that disappears in post, 135-minute battery, waterproof to 33 feet, and AI reframing that lets you shoot everything and pick your best angle after. Flow state stabilization keeps footage smooth no matter how aggressively you move. Most people think cinematic footage requires expensive setups. This fits in your pocket and proves them wrong. Your phone and your wallet are 2 separate things you carry everywhere. And your wallet is bulky, annoying, and full of things you never use. This accordion-style wallet attaches magnetically to any MagSafe iPhone, holds 2 to 5 cards, NFC pass-through so contactless payments still work with cards inside, and detaches in one pull for wireless charging. Most people carry a separate wallet out of habit, not necessity. This eliminates it entirely, and you won't miss it for a single day. 15 gadgets, every single one on Amazon right now, every single one actually worth your money. Not concepts, not coming soon, available today. Everything is linked in the description, so go grab whatever caught your eye. And if this list gave you something new, my last video had 17 gadgets including a self-flying drone and an eye massager that genuinely changes how your evenings feel. That one is on screen right now. Subscribe to Value Bite and I'll catch you in the next one.